Business owners, are you using your Facebook business page for lead generation or for branding to market your business? If so, I have one word for you. Stop. I'm Gary Wagnon, the owner of 800 Biz Ninja Marketing and the Ninja Marketing Dojo. Within the last few months, Facebook business pages have basically disappeared from all of the news feeds of people that have liked your page. Facebook's algorithms have changed in such a way that what once worked, what we were once able to build some decent leads and really get some referrals and do some business on Facebook, has all but evaporated. But there are some solutions. I've created a workshop that will show you some alternatives to using Facebook business page that are still free, and that will help you to continue to be able to tap into marketing efforts, to branding efforts, to lead generation efforts. That workshop is going to be on Thursday, July 11th from 1:30 to 3:30 at the Pioneer Title Office on Oracle and Ina in Tucson. We have limited amount of space, but I'm going to give you a ton of information, so you definitely want to be there and find out how you can change your strategies, change your marketing efforts, and start getting results that are efficient, effective, and actually bring you some leads. If you're interested, check the link below and you'll be able to find the registration. I look forward to seeing you on July 11th at that workshop. Remember, seating is limited, so act now. Reserve your spot today. I'm Gary Wagnon, 800 Biz Ninja Marketing and the Ninja Marketing Dojo.